Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is December the 12th, Tuesday morning. We did have a really nice trade 242 yesterday morning, putting our account at $34,629 as of today. With that being said, let's get into our watch list. This morning I'm watching Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia. As you guys can see on Tesla, had a little nice pullback yesterday. Bounced off that, found the support at that 237-ish level, came back, closed right below that 240 key level. But as you guys can see, pre-market we got below that 240, and we're sitting around that 238 key level. So if this continues to sell off, I'm looking for a break at that yesterday's low, and possibly has a room down to that 234 key level. But if this moves back up, I'm looking for a break of that pre-market high, this 241 level, possibly a break of that yesterday's high, 243, maybe a retest of that 244, get a break out of that level. But we'll see. Next I got Apple here. As you guys can see here on the daily chart, Apple been pretty strong the past couple weeks. Yesterday we did have some nice sell-off here off the open, but as you guys can see later on the day, gave all that, about I say half of the move back, closed above near the open here. As you guys can see here, that on the daily chart has a really nice wick showing that the buyers are pretty strong. And so what I'm looking for on Apple is, if this momentum here to the upside continues, I'm looking for that break of that 139 key level, as well as the 194 and maybe 195, and maybe we get a break of that and make a new all-time high at 198, possibly, if it's strong enough. But if not, if we get some pullback, it looks like we might be getting some consolidation. So I'm looking for a break of that pre-market low and the break of that yesterday's low, and possibly a retest of that 190 60, or a break of that maybe. But hopefully we just bounce off that and find a good support around that area. But that's what I'm looking for on Apple. On Nvidia, as you guys can see, had a really nice sell-off yesterday, came back, found some support here around that 458-ish level, came back, gave half of the move back, and we get some consolidation here. But as you guys can see, pre-market looks pretty weak, so I'm looking for a break of that yesterday's low, and possibly has a room down to that 451 key level. If we get some movement to the upside, I'm looking for that pre-market high break, that 469-ish level, and maybe we get a break at that 471 key level, and maybe we get a retest of yesterday's high, or maybe break at that in that 479 key level. So we'll see. Just gonna go ahead and let the price action set up, be patient, and hopefully we find some setup this morning. Market is gonna open here in about 30 seconds, so I'll see you guys if I find anything. Alright, I'm in there, 10 contract Tesla here at 445, looking for a break of that 234. Tesla is extremely weak here off the open. Market is pretty weak as well. Just looking for that momentum continuation here on Tesla. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take 8 contracts off there at 495. I got 2 contracts left. We did secure that small profit of $384 on that trade. But we'll see if it comes back above this candle here. Basically that view, the 90 EMA. We definitely gonna be taking our exit here on this last 2 contract. But we'll see. We do have room down to this. 230 key level. So we're trying to see if Tesla still has that strong momentum. Alright, we're out the last 2 contract there at $4 even. We took a small loss on that last 2 contract, but all in all we're up $290 on that trade. Not too bad, not too shabby. I did play it. I feel like I played it pretty good, honestly. Taking that A contract off there gave me put us in profit almost 400. So that gave me a room to play with the last two contract and was able to hold in this consolidation phase. But yeah, I wasn't willing to risk more than $100 on that last two contract, because if it goes above that VWAP, it's just obviously the trend is changing. Therefore, it would be just stupid of me risking the whole profit. So that's basically the reason I wasn't gonna hold through this whole pullback right here once it got above that VWAP, because there's a very high chance and likely that it might get above that open high and possibly start pushing towards the upside. So therefore, I might just secure, the small profit, and hopefully we get some other setup. With that being said, hopefully we get some good setups. Market is still pretty early. It hasn't even, it's almost 30 minutes since it opened, so hopefully something else sets up. If not, it is what it is. Still a green day. 300 still a really good profit in my eyes. Yeah, we'll see. Nvidia been aggressively bullish off the open, actually. So, but that move might be exhausted. So I'm not sure, but we'll see. We shall see. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna be one and done this morning. Not much else is really going on. I don't really see really good setups that I personally likes, and it is about 8:30ish now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it there and call it a day. We are up $290 on that Tesla puts trade, putting our account at $34,919 as of this morning. A pretty decent day. I mean, I feel like I played it really well, but small profit, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain. It's still a 300 at the end of the day. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.